Hello everybody, today I'm going to be making Medida or Sudanese or South Sudanese porridge.
And you can use any of these flour. So this is sorghum flour, this is corn flour, and this is semolina. And you can use it either like this with a starter, or you can use it without. So it's up to you. So I have starter here. And other things, you need sugar, you need salt. So it's quite easy really. So you just need flour, you need water, of course, sugar and salt. And this is all the things that you need to add to flavor. So you can add lime or lemon, you can add cinnamon powder, and here like cardamom flavoring and vanilla. So it's up to you depending on what you like, and you can put anything else, so it's up to you. To start, we need to use first a starter. So I'm just gonna take about 1, 2, about 3. Because you can use it without the starter.
Add 4 cups of water.
So it's about 1/4 of a cup. Okay. Let's mix it. Let's make sure it's all mixed well. Okay. And so this is cardamom. Oh, you get a bit of squeeze of lemon. You can. But that's the thing. Flavoring is up to you. What you want. You can add cinnamon that you like. You can add anything that you add to tea, you can add it to this Medida. Slowly it's changing now. The texture is changing slowly, you can see. So let's add salt. So I'm just gonna put here about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, but you can put less if you want. And I'm going to add about 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's 4 teaspoon, not tablespoon. And if you think it's a little bit thick, you can add water. So this is the thing, it's all to do with your personal preference, really, with Medida. 3 teaspoon. So about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. See the texture? So it's quite lovely on.
Leave it to simmer for a few minutes.
So this is now finished, done. So now I'm gonna pour it in here really carefully. This is quite hot. Just gonna pour it in here. Wow. And then another one in a cup. That's lovely, isn't it? How lovely is that? And then have with some milk or yogurt. Okay, and you can add fruits as well.
Enjoy. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.